Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to turn on Google Chrome Incognito Mode on your phone. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is open up your Chrome browser. Have you opened up your Chrome browser? Next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on New Incognito tab. Now you are here in Incognito tab. Then when you are on Incognito tab, what actually happens? Your browse history won't save, cookie and site data won't save, information entered in forms won't save. Your activity might still be visible to websites you visit, your employer or school, your internet service provider. It's as simple as that. You can click on here to read more. Now, for you to use Incognito Mode in Google Chrome, what you need to do is to click on here and type in whatever website you are looking for. Let's say, for instance, I'm going to search for Netherlands.com. Then in a few seconds, it opens up like so. Then here in Google Incognito Mode, you can also create as many as possible tabs. Click on here. This is going to pump up. The next thing you need to do is to click on here to add another tab right here. To click on here. Now, in the new tab right here, I can simply visit facebook.com. Click on search, and we have it right here. I can click on the first result right here, which is facebook.com. Here, I can browse my Facebook account in a private mode right here with Google Chrome Incognito Mode. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about Google Chrome search like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.